Moving on to the second way that you can make money in a crypto crash. We're going to move on to a slightly riskier method, and that is shorting crypto. Now, this is going to get a little bit complicated, but no one said it'll be easy. At the very least, it's good to understand how these things work. So shorting crypto is basically betting against the price of a cryptocurrency. Basically, if crypto goes down, you make money. If it goes up, you lose money. It's the opposite of a normal crypto buy. But this is quite risky, especially in today's climate where, one piece of news can come out or one Elon tweet can come out, and this can spike the price of any various cryptocurrency. And this is especially amplified in altcoins because in those, positive or negative news really amplifies and reverberates through altcoins where you can see dramatic price swings from positive or negative news. Either way, if you're going to short crypto, just make sure you do a little bit of risk management beforehand to make sure that you're comfortable with it. So you've decided that you want to short Bitcoin. How do you do it? There are many platforms that trade crypto futures, but most of them are fairly limited as to what you can short or the various offerings with futures. So some of the more popular platforms to do this are Binance, Deribit, BitMEX, Kraken, and KuCoin. KuCoin is my favorite. It actually provides some pretty cool tricks that make shorting easier. So they have regular coins that you can buy that do futures trading technically in the background. So here's how it works. Let's say you wanted to short Bitcoin on a temporary dip. You could buy the coin on KuCoin with the ticker symbol BTC3S. This coin shorts Bitcoin futures at a 3 times leverage. So if Bitcoin drops 10% in one day, BTC3S reacts and does so 3 times harder. So you would actually gain 30% in that day. Now you might be thinking, well, I want to short a coin, but I don't want 3 times leverage, which is totally understandable if you ask me. So there's a workaround here because they only offer 3 times leverage. It's kind of crazy. But here's the workaround. So KuCoin offers a non-shorted version of Bitcoin at 3 times leverage. This coin is BTC3L, Bitcoin long. Basically, this means if Bitcoin goes up 10%, you make 30%. It's 3x leverage on the positive side. So here's the trick. You can buy both the 3x leverage long and the 3x leverage short coins in proportion to the leverage that you want. I know this gets a little bit complicated, but just hang in there with me. So if you wanted to short Bitcoin, but you don't want 3x leverage, here's an example. You could buy $300 of BTC3S and $200 of BTC3L. What this does is evens it out a little bit, and you just have 1x leverage instead of 3x because you're both buying it long and short, but just more short. I hope that makes sense. Now, I know that was a bit much, but honestly, this is still much easier than trading futures yourself. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this content, make sure you subscribe to the main channel as well right here.